In 1977, a small spacecraft made by humans launched from Earth and entered the sky. Voyager 1, a probe, was that craft. It would traverse clouds, planets, and moons of dust, sending whispers from beyond. Today, it's the farthest object we've ever sent out, still active in the depths of space. This was before smartphones, before the internet, before GPS or smartwatches. The tools used to build Voyager had less technology than a pocket calculator. Still, it flew. Remarkably, it survived and soared, traveling beyond planets and stars for nearly 5 decades. Back then, the mission was meant to last just for years. Voyager was designed to visit only a few gas giants, including Jupiter and Saturn. But what came next rewrote the history of space exploration forever. Voyager 1 revealed Jupiter's red storm up close. It spotted erupting volcanoes on Io, one of Jupiter's moons, spewing fire and smoke. It showed Saturn's rings not as smooth bands, but as braided loops full of frozen particles. Its twin, Voyager 2, didn't fall behind. It traveled onto Neptune and Uranus, revealing ice moons, magnetic fields, and storms rolling across the skies like giants at war. These images shocked scientists who had never seen anything like them before. The spacecraft were launched during a rare alignment of planets. NASA took advantage of this celestial chance, using gravity assists to slingshot from one planet to another. This move saved decades of travel through the gloomy cosmic roads. Each new destination added surprises: Triton, Neptune's moon, spewing geysers of ice into the void; Uranus, spinning on its side like a toppled ball; Neptune's whine screaming at 1,300 miles per hour, faster than any hurricane on Earth. The discoveries didn't just amaze, they changed what we knew. We realized that distant moons could be active worlds, that planets far from the sun could still have dynamic weather, and that the border of our solar system was not a wall, but a vast, complicated space. The voyage of Voyager did not end there. It traveled past Pluto, beyond the planets, and entered the space between stars. This crossing was not like stepping over a fence, but more like entering a thick fog full of unknowns. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the region where the sun's influence fades. Yet rather than abrupt changes in magnetic fields, everything stayed oddly calm. Scientists scratched their heads. Was this really interstellar territory or something else? They had expected a dramatic shift. Voyager's journey beyond the stars, they expected a clean break. Instead, Voyager 1 found a blurred frontier. A shifting boundary that seemed to stretch and breathe with time, shaped by stars, cosmic dust, and the echoes of long-dead suns. This region was alive with plasma waves, rising and falling like tides in a strange, restless ocean. But this ocean was anything but calm. Pockets and bubbles swirled. Some dense, some empty. Some cold, some searing hot. Some drifting slow, others surging like solar winds. Ancient forces, supernovas, explosions millions of years old had carved this field. And Voyager drifted through their remnants, catching whispers of stellar deaths and recording their eerie songs. Even now, Voyager 1 sends home new data. Each signal takes more than 22 hours to cross the void. Billions of miles carried by a transmitter no stronger than a fridge bulb. Its tiny power source, a fading RTG, forces engineers to make impossible choices. Systems shut down, functions rerouted, every watt saved. Yet against all odds, the probe endures. Nearly 50 years since launch, a craft with just 69 kilobytes of memory, less than a short email. Still rewriting our understanding of the galaxy. That's not just endurance. That's a technical miracle. And Voyager carries more than science. It carries us. A golden record etched with music, greetings, laughter, even a heartbeat. A time capsule tossed into the cosmic ocean. Carl Sagan called it a bottle adrift in the stars, hoping one day someone might find it. And know that long ago, a small planet tried to say hello. The story isn't finished. In 2023, Voyager detected a faint hum in interstellar space, a constant signal no one had ever noticed. Perhaps it's the breath of interstellar wines. Perhaps it's something entirely new. Either way, it's proof that Voyager's tale is still unfolding. Generations have been inspired by its journey. Some who once watched the launches as children now lead the mission, keeping the ship alive against time itself. Voyager is no longer just a machine. It is humanity's ambassador, a drifting messenger in the black, whispering across eternity, "We exist."